The link between physics and biology may unlock the secret to a healthier, longer life. Today we explore a compelling question. Can quantum physics help us defy aging? It sounds like science fiction, but the emerging field of quantum biology is pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Now, you might be wondering, what does quantum mechanics have to do with aging? Well, it turns out that the weird and wonderful world of quantum physics doesn't just apply to subatomic particles. It might also play a crucial role in biological processes. At the quantum level, particles can exist in multiple states at once, tunnel through barriers, and even influence each other instantly across vast distances. These mind-bending phenomena could be happening inside our cells right now, affecting how we age. Understanding how quantum effects influence biological systems is no easy task. We're talking about observing incredibly tiny events happening at lightning-fast speeds. Yet scientists are starting to uncover evidence that quantum mechanics might be involved in everything from photosynthesis to our sense of smell. So, let's look at some specific ways quantum mechanics might be influencing how we age. First up, quantum tunneling. This is the ability of particles to pass through barriers they shouldn't be able to cross. In our DNA, this could lead to spontaneous mutations. Another quantum effect that could be crucial is quantum coherence. This is when particles behave in a synchronized way, almost like they're performing a choreographed dance. In our cells' powerhouses, the mitochondria, quantum coherence might be enhancing energy efficiency. As we age, our mitochondria become less efficient, leading to oxidative stress. If we could maintain this quantum choreography, we might be able to keep our cellular batteries charged for longer, slowing down the aging process. So, how can we put this knowledge to use? Well, one exciting area is the development of quantum-inspired antioxidants. Traditional antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in our bodies, but quantum-enhanced versions could be far more effective. Another promising field is quantum computing for aging research. Quantum computers can perform certain calculations exponentially faster than classical computers. This could allow scientists to model complex aging processes in unprecedented detail. And let's not forget about quantum sensors. These ultra-sensitive devices could detect the tiniest biological changes, potentially allowing us to catch age-related diseases like cancer or Alzheimer's far earlier than we can now. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but how far are we from actually using quantum physics to extend our lives? Well, we're still in the early stages, but the potential is enormous. Imagine a future where we can use quantum-enhanced gene editing to repair DNA damage, or quantum resonance therapies to optimize cellular function. We might even develop quantum-based drugs that can target specific biological processes with unprecedented precision. While quantum biology offers exciting possibilities, it's not a magic bullet. Aging is an incredibly complex process, and we're still only scratching the surface of how quantum effects might influence it. There are huge challenges to overcome, both in understanding the science and in developing practical applications. But that's what makes this field so exciting. We're at the frontier of a new scientific revolution, one that could fundamentally change our understanding of life itself. As we've seen, the world of quantum biology is opening up new possibilities in our quest for longer, healthier lives. While we're still far from quantum fountains of youth, the potential is mind-boggling. Who knows? Maybe in the not-so-distant future, we'll be celebrating our 150th birthdays, thanks to a little help from the quantum realm. Until then, keep your eyes on this exciting field. The next breakthrough could be just around the corner.